I love to work with trash. It's probably my favorite building material. And one thing you have to have if you want to work with trash, trash. So today I'm gonna do a kind of urban mining material sourcing tour through LA. It is trash pickup day, the best day of the week, and I want to see what I can find for future projects or just inspiration or maybe to resell. And because I don't want to do it alone, we have a special guest today. Hi babe.
Hi.
My wife Corinne. All right, lights. Lights.
Oh my god.
First stop. Trash could be anywhere. Who says it could? It's not at the burger place. Wait, what is it? Is it a good broken chair? Nah. What do you think?
I don't know. You're the trash expert.
No, I think it's okay. Can't see anything.
I know.
Maybe it was a strategic mistake to go at night. Ah. No. I never saw this coming, babe.
What? Maybe
Did we go trash hunting together? This is a dream.
I love it. It's a treasure hunt. We could flip it over. We could technically cut it. Oh my god, no. Oh my, that's crazy. Is that a prank? Is that a trap?
This is so mysterious. I think it's.
I don't. It's like
It's unbelievably heavy, right?
I think it's actually like somehow like affixed to the sidewalk. I don't think it's.
Wow.
What about this end?
Yeah, because it's kind of propped up, which makes me think somebody wants this.
But it doesn't even budge.
Nothing. You know what I think I want to do? I think I'll come back and ask about this. And then I come back in the daylight and ask.
Yeah. So you're saying nighttime isn't the best time?
God. Okay, but it is. Hey, maybe that's the people. Maybe we can ask them. How long has it been sitting there?
A long time.
A long time?
Yeah, I just have never lifted it up and put it
Yeah.
on. I mean, the woman who left it there, but she was like, I left it there because I wanted to make a bench. If you ever want to make a bench out of it, you never have. I think it's great if you take it. You can have it.
Thank you.
Of course.
Amazing. Oh my
It's an adventure.
That is
exciting.
so cool. All right, I'm back where we found the slab yesterday. I brought some tools, and I have to say, it's unfortunately in much worse condition than I thought. It's super wet in the middle, maybe even moldy. So I don't know, but at this time, I'm now so committed. I feel like I have to do it now. I feel like I have to cut it up and take it home and just see if there's something I can do with this, even if it's not leaf blowers. Well, the problem is my saw doesn't cut deep enough. So it has a 2-inch depth cut. This is at least 4 inches. So If I could flip it around, that wouldn't be a problem, but I don't think I can flip it around by myself. I can even lift it a bit. So let's see how we do this. Oh my God, what a thriller. You can hear it crack, but you don't know where it cracks. Do the right thing. This is dry. I definitely can work with this. Amazing. This is absolutely incredible. 4 inches thick. What? And it would have just rotten here. Let's see how the other piece looks, but this is definitely something that's more manageable. Of course, it's a shame that I can take the whole slab, but that's just not an option. I don't even have the tools to work with this, so what a find. Okay, problem is I got stuck. I can't get this out anymore. So I need to make a quick trip to a hardware store and get another one of those wedges things. Almost there.
It took me 3.5 hours to split it into manageable pieces. And all this time I was thinking about project ideas. And I kept coming back to hearing that the landlord always wanted to turn it into a bench. And I think that's what it's supposed to be. I think I can do that.
Okay, so this part does not look as good as the other part. There's some rot in it. There are a bunch of beetles that came out of here. I think the rain dripped down and landed on this board and kind of sunk into the center part of the slab. And this is where it caused some rot. It's hard to say how bad the damage is. I think what I need to do is take this to a big bandsaw and just cut it open and see how far the rot grew into the wood. Now, my shop is far away, and I also don't think my bandsaw or me alone can handle this on the bandsaw, but I know where to go. That looked pretty good. And there's some water damage on this one.
There is.
Same here, but I think like it looks kind of good, no?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, we might have to, slice it up a little bit.
Sure.
Turns out the wood was actually in pretty perfect condition. The species is called gum and it's very, very durable and resistant against water rot or insects. So now it's time to turn it into an actual bench.
Okay, stressful. Oh god, my face is so dirty. Look under my eyes. Okay, why am I so stressed? I wanted to finish this bench today because I have kind of a plan. Remember when I picked up the slab and the woman was like, oh, it's the landlord's slab, and she always wanted to build a bench with this but never got around to it, so it's been laying in the rain for years. I was thinking maybe I could do that for her. Maybe I just pick up the slab, build the bench, drop it off the next day. I just love this random act of kindness and how this story started at, I'm looking for a project, I want to see if I can find some cool trash, then finding this beautiful material and then thinking, yeah, this could also be my project for right now, but it's not for me, it's for somebody else. I really like that. So let's go there, let's deliver the bench, let's sit on it for 1 minute, and then I have to go. Whoop, shaking camera. Before you go, please let me tell you about this week's sponsor, Incogni.com. If you have heard of Incogni before, either here or on some other awesome channel, you can take a shortcut and just click the link in the description or visit Incogni.com/Laura Kampf to get a 60% discount on their services. If you don't know what Incogni is, please let me explain. We all, I think, have this problem: spam emails, spam calls, spam messages all the time, and I think it is getting worse and worse and worse. The thing is, there are companies who collect and trade and aggregate our personal information. And this information could be your name, your home address, your phone number, employment history, medical history, your shopping habits. And even though there is something you can do about this, technically you have the right to claim your information back and request these companies to delete whatever info they have about you. The truth is, this is super cumbersome and it just takes a lot of time and a lot of patience. Nobody has time for that. So Incogni swoops in there. In your name, they request the removal of your data, and they also deal with their objections, which probably will happen. If you don't want that info out there, you can ask Incogni to remove it for you. And right now is a good time to do that because they have a 60% off deal of their services. And all you have to do to get those 60% off is click the link in the description or go to incogni.com/Laura Kampf to get your deal. I've been dealing with spam calls all the time until I used their services, and it is easy. I didn't have to do anything. Sign up is easy, and then Incogni just does it for you. I hope you enjoyed the services as much as I hope you enjoyed watching this week's video, as much as I enjoyed raiding the streets of LA for really good trash and future project potential and material. I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye.